Welcome to my channel again. I'm Teacher Kathy. All right, today we're going to talk about GimKit. But before we do that, don't forget to click on that subscribe and that bell so that way you know when I'm putting out new videos of all the tools that I use in the online classroom. Okay, let's jump in. Here we go. This is gimkit.com. Okay? Gimkit.com. Gimkit.com. This site I use in my classrooms for mostly the older students from like fourth grade up. And I mostly only teach K to 8. I don't teach a lot of older students. This site's got a lot of more interactive games in the sense of there's guys on the screen we can move around, and so I tend to not use it with my younger students. It's similar to all the other sites that I've put up like Blooket, Nearpod, and Kahoot. And you can look below for tags, links to the videos and those. Those are also on my channel if you want to use one of those sites in your classroom. So I'm going to show you how I use this one. So this one is, we click on New Kit first, okay? So I'm going to hit Test Kit 2, and hit the Next, and I usually just type in Education and see what, I just pick a random image. I think you can upload your own at some point. And then you're going to click on, you can import from a question bank if you want, but I typically just add in. And then boom, 2, 3, 4. Okay. You can change this around depending on what the correct answer is, and you can have multiple ones. You can also add a photo, auto, or equations in this up here. Along with here, you can do the same if you don't have something else already put there. You can do text input or multiple choice in this one as well. And then once you've clicked all of that, oh, I got to put in more because it got rid of my other ones. Okay. Hit add, and there's your question. When you're all done, you can go back in here and you can edit it. I did have one here, so I guess we should get rid of this one. Back up. I'm going to hit. Oh, that's right. It doesn't let me get rid of things. I'm going to archive it. That's the only way you can do it. So there's a couple ways you can play. Oh, I was going to show you how to edit the title. So if you want to edit the title up here, you go up here, rename, click on it. It'll let you rename it. Happy Game Test. Okay, if you didn't get the right name the first time. You can add multiple questions, of course, and also duplicate questions as well. So it's similar to the other sites. Let's do one more question here, and I'm going to show you. So if I want to add a photo, you can put in a photo in there, but it asks you what color is this hat? Okay, gray, black, red, yellow. Okay, hit add. All right, so now we got another one with an image. There you go. It's pretty cool. I love this site. It's a lot of fun. It's a lot more interactive. So there's our game. So now how do we do it when we're playing live in the classroom? You're going to give your kids this link, gimkit.com/join. That's how they jump in with just the pin. And this one, I don't think it lets you provide a link with the pin. So you have to give them this link and then they have to type in the pin and give them that pin. Okay. So click play live and it pops up this box automatically. There's a new game out that's really fun that's more of a cooperative game where you have to get out of a spaceship. Snowy Survival is like a zombie attacking everyone else. The last one standing wins. Capture the Flag is exactly that. Capture the flag. Whoever gets the most flags on whichever team wins. Fishtopia, Snowball. Fishtopia is like going fishing, turning your fish for money, and then whoever has the most money wins. Snowball is shooting each other with snowballs till the time ends, and whoever has the most hits wins. Tag domination is capture the flag, just like capture the flag, but without the flag, just tagging. And then farm chain is more of a cooperative game, kind of like One Way Out, where you farm and you sell your products, and then whoever has the most money wins. Most of these down here don't have characters and are just like question and answer, which are sometimes good for older students, but I find a lot of the students, the ones that are the most popular, is Capture the Flag, Fishtopia, Snowball, and Tag are the most popular. The new one, One Way Out, tends to be the most popular. the most popular right now, but it's really hard trying to get out of that spaceship, and I haven't quite figured out all the ins and outs of it. So let's try capture the flag. I'm going to hit continue, and it gives you this. You can choose the time that you want for your game. You also can choose how much energy they get per question. You can use a nickname generator if you want. You can allow students to join late. I hit continue, and then it pops open this screen and immediately drops you into the room where you're going to start the game. Okay? I did not choose that. Why do I have? Oh, because it's April Fool's Day. That's why they changed it on me. I don't like that one. I like this one. This one you can also earn points if you sign up for an account with an email and get all these different types of GIMs. And the item shop lets you pick new ones you can purchase. I guess this one is the new one. Interesting. Okay. Not all my students have that. Oh, I wanted to change it though. I don't want that one. I want this one. There we go. That one's just weird. All right, so up at the top, when you're in the room here, it gives you these little windows that kind of help you go over before you start the game with your students on how to play and what the steps are. Okay? And then once you have enough players, it'll have a start down here, and you hit start and they jump in the game. So there you go. That's how I use GimKit in my classrooms. So I hope you enjoyed that. I've got some more things up my sleeve I'm going to post on my channel that are going to have different tips and tricks on how I do my lessons and so on and so forth. They'll be coming in the coming weeks. So if you want to know about some of those things, click the subscribe and the bell so you know when I post them. All right, it's been fun. I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.